You can see now this is a referral link, the upline link. So to create your own link, create wallet, click on create wallet. Click on create wallet. Now you can copy. This is your link below. The wallet ID created this time. This is your link. So what do? All you need to do is to just what? Is to click on it. Just carefully click on it. Make sure you click on it. You can see copy it. It is already been copied. Now after you have copied the link, you can see below here, download. When you click on download, you will see several options here. You can direct that download from Google Play Store, Android, iOS, Signature, Office website. These are the 4 channel of downloads. So I suggest you download from Google Play Store, or depends on your choice. So by the time you have downloaded the app, what next? Now you have already copied the link. So let's go. Now I have downloaded the app already. You can see it is telling me to update now, which I'll say later. Now the next thing to do is to click on wallet. You can see the wallet below there. You can see the wallet below. You click on the wallet. Then you are going to click on create wallet, not to restore wallet. Create what? Wallet. You can see you try to click on update later. Click on create wallet. So the wallet ID that I copied earlier, I'm going to paste it here. Now the next thing is I'm going to create my password. Now I have created my password successfully. You can see this other password hint is an option, so you leave it. After you have created your password, make sure you create a very strong password. You create your password, and you tap on create. Tap on create. Now you're going to also create on what? Backup. Click on create backup. You can see. So the next thing to do is to what? Is to make sure that you back up your account. Make sure that you back up your account properly. Back up your account properly. Write down the mnemonics. Back up mnemonic. Now you can see I have back up my wallet successfully. I have back up my wallet. I have saved it already. Then you click done. So this is how to create your Fintoch account. This is how to create your Fintoch account. So my next video, I am going to show you on how to fund your account. I'm going to tell you more I'm going to tell you.
Wallet is down here. Click on wallet. When you click on wallet, you look for USDT. If you are using TRC20, if you want to use TRC20, you click on TRC20. PEP20 is there. ERC20 is there. So you choose one. Let me choose TRC20. You choose TRC20. You come here. You go to receive. You click on receive. Are you seeing it? You copy your address. When you copy your address of USDT, you go to Binance or Trust Wallet, anywhere you have USDT. You send it. If it's Trust Wallet, you send it. Within 1 minute, you are seeing your money inside Fintoch, this Fintoch app. Then you go again and you need Tron, because Tron is working with this. You need Tron. Then you go to Tron. Do the same thing. There is Tron here. You go to Tron, do the same thing. Open Tron, copy Tron address, receive, copy address, go back and pay. Put like $1 or $2. When you are done with this, the next thing you do is to go to lending. You go to lending. When you reach lending, you click up here because it is Tron. You change it to Tron Chain. Then you type how much, maybe $100 or $1,000. You click on grab. When you click on grab, the next thing you will see is next. Then the next you will see you confirm. After the confirmation, you will put your password, your Fintoch password. You put your Fintoch password. You click next, and it will go. Your investment is already you have dropped your investment, or you have lent out your money. The next day, your percentage begin to drop for you. Thank you. This is Oracle.
So that is how to activate your account. So before we go, I would like